So when it comes to selling your products and services online, you need to have the ability to take payments or deliver your product on autopilot, right? You don't have the time to deliver the products or services manually, do you? To do this, you need to have a good shopping cart platform that not only integrates with a payment processor, but into your autoresponder system and everything else. Now, while this idea sounds great, the big problem is how many of you actually executed this concept successfully? Now, truth be told, the majority of people that we have encountered said they didn't. Now, they said that they found it difficult to get a sales funnel set up so that they could begin to sell their products and services. Does that sound like you? Well, have you ever wanted to set up your own sales funnel so that you can sell the front-end offer with several upsells or one-time offers? Well, if you're like most people, setting up this sales follow-up process can be actually very complicated and a tedious process when you actually put it into action. The reality is that the JVZoo shopping cart system provides you with tons and tons of features, but can be still overwhelming and a complicated process once you dive in and try to structure everything. Fortunately for you, however, we have gone through many days and weeks and months and tried to figure things out. And we can now teach it to you in a simplified process. You can finally discover how to quickly and easily sell your products and services on JVZoo. This video course is designed to take you behind the scenes to help you understand how to achieve this without spending days or weeks banging your head against the wall trying to figure things out. Now, here's a quick video's overview of what's inside this video course. Video 1 is the introduction. We're going to talk about an overview of the video course itself, what tools and things that you're going to need. Video number 2, we're going to talk about JVZoo sales and the dashboard, and we're going to give you a quick overview of the specific elements that we are going to use. Video number 3, we're going to talk about planning out your sales funnel. Video number 4, we're going to map out your sales funnel. And then once you have that blueprint in hand, video number 5, we're going to talk about adding product details. Video number 6, we're going to talk about connecting your autoresponder. Video number 7, we're going to talk about connecting payment processors such as Stripe and PayPal. Video number 8, we're going to talk about sales funnel setup. And video number 9, we're going to talk about sales buttons and one-time offers and how to connect all of them so that after somebody buys your front-end offer, they are then sent to your one-time offer. If they buy, they can be sent to another one-time offer, or if they click no thanks, you can divert them to somewhere else. So go ahead and grab this video course now and access it immediately after your purchase. No waiting in line, even if it's 4 a.m. in the morning.